Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your device is charged and you're signed into the account that stores history. Open Settings, then tap Google for Android or Apple ID for iPhone to access location preferences. Once there, enable Location and Location History or Significant Locations. This allows the service to record places you visit. Now open the Maps app or account web page to begin viewing entries. This first step turns raw device signals into recorded history you can inspect. Next, open Maps Timeline or the account's location history page to pull up entries. Use the calendar tool to pick a specific date range or single day and switch devices if you sync multiple phones or watches. Apply filters for Wi-Fi, GPS, or cell-based entries to understand accuracy differences. GPS is usually most precise. Once filtered, examine path segments and tap points for timestamps and place labels. This shows how the service reconstructed travel from recorded coordinates. Finally, export your location data if you need a backup or deeper analysis. Use Google Takeout or the Account Export tool and open the file in a map viewer. Review timestamps against calendar events to verify accuracy, and compare GPS points to known Wi-Fi or cell towers to understand anomalies. If entries are missing, make sure location history and background location are allowed, sync is enabled, and battery saver isn't blocking updates. That single troubleshooting check fixes most gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.